Hey, Dad.
What the heck was that noise?
Mike
Wazowski, I think you have the hiccups.
Oh, no. Is that bad or not?
Yeah, it is bad. They're really annoying and they just never go away. Maybe hold your breath. Just keep holding your breath. You can breathe. Mike Wazowski, get up. Quit playing. Quit playing. Why'd you do that? Dang it, they go away. Oh, I'm calling the cops.
Alright, did somebody call a cop?
Yeah, my son has hiccups. Ow! What was that? Ow! What was that for?
Because you called the cop for hiccups?
What? I thought you could fix it because there's no doctors available right now and we don't have a doctor puppet and we don't know where to find one.
Oh.
So I guess we only have a cop puppet and a chef puppet. And I don't even think Melissa and Doug has a doctor puppet.
Oh.
So yeah, can you help my son?
Okay.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Alright, you have hiccups? Yeah. Hey, the only way how to get rid of them is try to stare you! Oh, that didn't work. Well, I'm gonna just find another way how to make your hiccups go away. Alright, my friend, do you like this balloon? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna pop it. Did it work? Oh, it didn't work.
All right, let's go.
Alright, we're gonna shoot him.
All right. But just don't shoot him in the eye. So, Mike Wazowski, you got to try not to get scared from us shooting you with this Nerf gun rifle. All right, here we go. Did it work? Oh, it didn't work. All right, let's do something else.
Alright, in this part, we're gonna put orange on his head and shoot him with Nerf gun.
Oh, it's kind of like the apple and the crossbow thing, but we don't have any apples and we don't have a crossbow.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go do it.
Alright, we're gonna shoot him with his orange.
All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, did it work?
Oh, we got the orange off.
Yeah, that was impressive what you did. All right, but did his hiccups go away? Oh, dang it. All right, let's go do something else. All right, so what are we doing in here?
We're gonna throw a baseball at him,
But that's going to hurt. Or are you going to try to miss? All right, Mike Wazowski, are you ready?
yeah.
All right, let's do it. 3, 2, 1. All right, did it work? Oh, dang it. Let's just go. Guys, I guess we will never get rid of Mike Wazowski's hiccups. Oh, stupid fly. Are you not scared of flies? What? Wait, cop. His hiccups are gone.
That's it?
Wow, we actually got rid of his hiccups. Oh no. What? Cop, can you scare me?
Boom!